quickly grown in popularity, and airsoft enthusiasts have given rise to a myriad of airsoft armaments. Airsoft guns are modeled after real firearms, down to their look, feel, and usage. Some of this equipment is highly tactical, with intricate military-themed fittings. Even if they're imitations and are considered non-lethal weapons, airsoft rifles are powerful tools that should be handled properly. Safety should always be a priority. For airsoft veterans and budding enthusiasts, customizing every piece of attachment and accessory is a big part of the airsoft community. This has resulted in a plethora of constantly updated gears, rifles, and armory. With the many variations of airsoft rifles, spring-powered guns have been the most reliable. They're great for beginners and need the least maintenance. So today we're here to present to you the top 5 spring airsoft rifles to help you choose when you decide to buy one. Now let's start. Number 1 on our list is the COLT Spring M4 and Pistol Combo Kit. Whether you're a beginner to airsoft or already an experienced player, this item is a great option. The highly powered spring combination kit is an affordable option for an airsofter looking for an economical airsoft gun. With an amazing firing velocity of 300 FPS with .12 G BBs, taking out a target even at a far distance won't be a problem. The rifle's magazine holds up to 300 BBs, providing ample ammunition for a consistent rapid fire. The airsoft's fashionably designed two-tone black body and tan accessories project a sophisticated and individualistic vibe. Designed as an authentic replica featuring all the characteristics that you can find in the original M4 rifle, the ergonomically textured handle offers maximum grip, letting you power through the airsoft battlefield. The COLT Spring M4 has been designed with a multi-position stock, which makes the rifle perfect for close-quarter battle and medium-distance target engagement. The foregrip and flashlight are already included in the package. It's also equipped with a Picatinny Weaver-style rail for easy housing of additional gear and airsoft accessories. COLT has chosen to combine this powerful rifle with a spring-powered airsoft pistol, providing you with a dependable sidearm. Giving out solid fires at 210 FPS with a 12-round capacity magazine, this pistol was designed to deliver accurate shots and an impressive shooting range. Durable housing provides confidence with the COLT M4 rifle and pistol that can withstand any weather and airsoft shooting conditions. Our second item is the tactical M4 spring-powered combat rifle sidearm kit. Manufactured from high-quality materials, this combat rifle with a sidearm package is an excellent combination for airsoft beginners and new enthusiasts to the sport. The compact, lightweight frame enhances mobility while at play and can stand up to consistent, rugged airsoft warfare. It's a powerful rifle with precise and solid shots, and it can fire up to 320 FPS with a 180-round magazine. Made from high-quality materials, this combat rifle package is perfect for those interested in the sport. Lightweight yet powerful, the vertical front grip provides maximum support during battle competitions. Teaming up with the tactical M4 combat rifle is the equally solid, precise sidearm. The P618 spring-style pistol has an ergonomically designed grip for optimum support in any airsoft combat condition. The pistol comes with a detachable MOC suppressor. This accessory provides additional safety and security to the handgun's internal workings. This in turn will greatly improve distance range and accuracy at every shot. Combining the pistol's solid fast shots with these mounted MOC scopes on the front, these features of the P16 spring-style pistol effectively assist for accuracy in target shooting. Besides improving the airsoft gun's performance, these accessories add to the authenticity of the airsoft weaponry. This pistol was also designed with an adjustable crane stock and a red dot laser to help you focus on distant targets. With materials of lightweight polymer, you can count on this gun's durability and sturdiness. So did you find our first 2 items interesting? Well, we still have 3 more remaining, and they're just as good as the first 2. If this is your first time watching our videos, then please subscribe and be a part of our growing community. Hit the notification bell so we can send you notifications whenever we upload new videos. Also, if there's a particular product that you want us to review, then just drop it in the comment section. Now let's continue. Our third product is the FN HERSTAL Scar Spring powered airsoft gun. Are you planning a gift for a new airsoft enthusiast? Then this compact spring-powered airsoft rifle would be the perfect choice. Don't be fooled by the FN HERSTAL's lightweight frame. Fabricated from durable polymer plastic and molded with intricate detailing, this airsoft rifle can withstand airsoft warfare's ruggedness. This fully licensed spring-powered rifle fires up at 400 FPS with .12G BBs, enabling you to effectively shoot at a long-distance range. The rifle's high-powered tension spring allows you to participate in airsoft competitions all day long without the need for batteries or gas. The rear rifle stock can be adjusted for maximum comfort, and it can also be folded for easier and safer transport, as well as integrated in the front and rear flip-up sights to help you focus on your target without additional optical fittings. The front vertical grip enables players optimum agility and control. Internal storage space can be used to store extra tools and designed with a stippled pistol grip for maximum support and grasp stability when sighting targets, or hand change positionings. Featuring an integrated rail interface system combined with a 20mm Picatinny top rail to house a variety of tactical fittings and airsoft rifle armaments, it's got the combined characteristics of a 350-round magazine, an internal high-tension spring for fast and efficient BB feeding, along with a reliable compact design. The FN HERSTAL SCAR spring-powered airsoft gun is the best option for close-quarter airsoft battles. Our fourth product is the Wells M16A4 style spring airsoft rifle with accessories. It's created to look and function similar to the real M16A4. If you're looking for a high-powered airsoft gun without breaking the bank, then this affordable airsoft rifle is a great choice. A great gun for beginners and airsoft enthusiasts, this airsoft rifle has all the fittings to help you achieve your goal on the combat field. If you're firing at a velocity of 240 to 290 FPS, combined with a 65-round capacity magazine, ammunition and accuracy aren't a problem. The Wells airsoft rifle comes packaged with a red dot laser sight that makes shooting a distant target a lot easier. It also comes equipped with an RIS front grip and a tactical flashlight that you can easily mount onto your rifle. With all these accessories included, Wells has prepared all that you need for a triumphant airsoft battle. The M16A4 spring-powered rifle is created with an integrated rail interface system, providing space to attach your choice of tactical fittings and aftermarket accessories. It features a retractable rifle stock and hop-up system, and this airsoft rifle can deliver hard, accurate shots up to 150 feet in range. The barrel's quarter-inch tip has been permanently marked in blaze orange to comply with airsoft gun requirements. The sturdy ABS plastic construction provides dependable durability and intricate molded details. Its aluminum internal barrel delivers smooth shooting performance, and there's no need for batteries or gas, freeing you from loading up on additional baggage. Still can't decide which one to choose? Well, don't worry, because we still have one more item to show. The last item might be your choice. And if you want to view the full details and links to the items, just head over to the description box. Now let's head on to the last product. Our last product on the list is the ASG M40A3 spring-powered SPORTLINE airsoft sniper rifle. Feel like a real United States Marine Corps scout sniper with this dependable airsoft rifle. Created with lightweight polymers, you can depend on its sturdiness and durability. Whether it's for target shooting or fun battle skirmishes, this ASG SPORTLINE edition can match your expectations. It features an impressive 450 FPS with .20G BBs and 27 rounds of a magazine. Combine these powerful shots with its adjustable hop-up, and the ASG M40A3 spring-powered SPORTLINE airsoft sniper rifle enables you to knock out distant targets with extreme accuracy. Designed as an authentic replica of those used by the USMC, it features all the components in the original M40A3 sniper rifle. Hone your accuracy with the adjustable cheek riser while ensuring a comfortable grip with its ergonomically textured rifle handle. The stock pads can be removed to easily modify the length of the gun stock. Additional accessories can easily be mounted on the Picatinny Weaver scope rail, located just above the bolt assembly. The ASG also has included an additional rail on the front of the rifle stock for fastening bipods. The Picatinny Weaver scope rail is mounted directly above the bolt assembly for mounting aftermarket optics. An extra rail section is located on the front of the stock for attaching bipods. You can find the adjustable hop-up on the left side of the rifle. The easy-to-pull back bolt has the sniper gun firing consistently within the 395 to 450 FPS mark. Spring-powered rifles and pistols are easy to use and might be the best option for you. Compared to their other counterparts, there's no need for batteries or gas to power your rifle. This allows you to simply enjoy this multifaceted game. So that concludes our product list of the top Spring Airsoft Rifles. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our growing community. Simply hit the bell icon and be notified of our latest uploads. Also, don't forget to share this with your family and friends so that they can have the best product review. Thanks for watching and see you again next time, here on the ReviewTube channel.